What's going on, everybody? Welcome back here to the channel. It's time to talk Ondo Finance. Yes, the leader in RWA has been setting new all-time highs. We've been hitting Ondo hard here for the last few weeks, talking about where this industry is going, where this narrative, this RWA, is heading in this crypto bull cycle. And I have been actively accumulating Ondo Finance since 75 cents. Now, just recently, we've doubled up basically on that investment, almost getting all the way up to close to $1.45 on a wick up. Right now, sitting at $1.35, but things are looking extremely good. And in this video, I want to give you guys the breakdown of why Ondo Finance. Why is it still the beginning? Why are we still very, very bullish? Now, year to date, we're up 500+%. Last 3 months, almost 172%. Last 6 months, 500%. Last week, 10%. Last month, 70% on the price of Ondo right now. The moving averages still look really, really solid. This is a brand new project. Keep in mind, guys, brand new project. It's been one of the top gainers and movers, sitting here in the top 60 right now. You can see market cap still below $2 billion, guys. Volume has picked up nicely, though, as well. You guys can see here by market cap, we're ranked number 59, but by volume, we're in the top 20. This tells me a lot of people are engaged and interested in what Ondo Finance is doing. Why? Well, it's very simple to see that the RWA narrative, guys, is not going anywhere. And when you go to Ondo Finance's website, obviously you're going to see some huge, huge players. I actually met somebody who works at Anchorage Digital while I've been here in Texas at Consensus. I'm actually still here in Texas at Consensus, still have another meeting today. And it's been phenomenal, guys, just getting out here to these live events. I'll tell you what, it's just, you cannot duplicate the experience. But they also have unbelievable providers that they're working with, like BlackRock. You may have heard of them. Morgan Stanley, Mantle, Polygon, Coinbase, CurveDAO, Injective, Ancura, Yearn Finance. Huge, huge players in the space. And they're ushering in a new era of financial inclusivity on chain, right? Through on-chain institutional grade financial products and services, bridging the gap. They are the market leader in tokenization of real world assets. Now, this I thought was a great tweet by Wise Advice. And they say RWA is going to be one of the biggest narratives this cycle. There's one project that is leading this sector. It is Ondo Finance. Ondo's up 80% in the last 30 days, still showing positive momentum. Ondo Finance improves the current DeFi to TradFi rails and offers access points to real world assets, bringing institutional grade products on chain. Key features: risk isolated vaults, innovative subscription mechanism, first subscription vaults, security and compliance, and community and development. The main products, they've got their USDY, which is a stablecoin alternative, which offers yield. They have the OUSG for on-chain US Treasury exposure, and an innovative vault system for varied yield generation. You can see here the circulating supply is 1.4 billion. Total supply is 10 billion. You can learn about Ondo's full vesting using this link here. Ondo's raised a total of $46 million so far, 22 from public, and then the funding rounds was around 24. Their backers include Coinbase, Pantera, huge, huge players, right? They're the leader in the RWA sector right now, and they're continuing to develop. It has further secured its place, I think, in this bull run. And when you look at where we are right now, you know, volume up 20 in the 24-hour period, 100%, by the way. You look at where we are by market cap, still a sub $2 billion market cap. I mean, when you just look at this, like, what's a fair valuation for Ondo right now? It's early, right? I think maybe it's fair right now, but I think as this bull run progresses, this narrative is going to get hotter and hotter amongst retail investors. And all it's going to take is this thing to really go mainstream as one of the top tokens. We're looking for that huge potential of one of these new cryptos. There's a lot of them out there, right? Love Ondo. There's a lot of them that haven't seen a bull run, and I own a lot of these, all of them that I'll mention. Ondo Finance, Aptos, Sui, Caspa, right? Render and Injective. These are all new plays that I think are going to be right at the forefront of this bull run. And it's been amazing, amazing, amazing to watch. Now we go over to the charts here again. You can see here our XT algo flagged this thing basically right here. 15% gain here just in the last 2 days on the hourly. There you go. Just the last 2 days could have made a 15% move just following XT algo. Momentum up, momentum down. If you guys are interested in getting in there, it's easy trading made simple. Links all down below. 30-day money back guarantee. Crazy not to give it a try. I'm telling you guys, a little over $1 a day. Again, you can cancel at the end of 30 days. But right here, this would have paid for your subscription all month, just the last 2 days. Insane, right? Insane movement here. Now, coming back to Ondo and in the grand scheme of things here, in this space, the RWA space, there's going to be a ton of winners. But I'm starting at the top. I'm I'm looking at Ondo, and I'm looking at Chainlink. Chainlink and Ondo are the top players, top movers and shakers that I want access to. By the way, if you guys are interested in some alpha, we got a free Telegram group now, link down below. It's more geared toward meme coins, but if you guys are interested in that, check that out. Meme coins are obviously hot right now. This is another thing that's hot, and that's the RWA narrative, as we're seeing Ondo sitting here at $1.36. I still think this is severely undervalued. I still think this is just the beginning for Ondo Finance, even though we've had an unbelievable run here in the last 30 days. And if we look at a couple other things, you know, this whole RWA space, if we go over to categories, you know, you can find pretty much anything you're looking for here. I wish you can actually, you know, sort this by easy metrics here. I know they have an RWA space here. You know what? Might just go to Google. There is so much to offer here. RWA crypto list, coin market cap. Let's see. Here we go. Top real world assets by market cap. So Avalanche is also getting into the game, guys. They are pretty big in this space as well. They're doing a lot of tokenized real estate. So there's another one to watch. I love Chainlink. I think Chainlink and Ondo are huge in this area. ICP and Maker and VeChain obviously are here. We've got Quant. These are all the cryptos, okay, that are in this area. So far, this market cap, according to CoinMarketCap, is right around $46 billion. I mean, how big could this get, right? Think about it. Larry Fink is talking about RWA, just this asset class alone, getting into the trillions. So if you believe that, even if you say it gets into the trillions, low trillions, or even high billions, I mean, still, you know, there's a huge opportunity here at a $46 billion market cap. Imagine what happens if we get to 460 and this whole space 10x's 460 billion. I think we can get there in this cycle. And you're looking at some of the leaders in this space, you know, right there at the top, obviously, Chainlink and Ondo Finance. Now, there are a couple other ones I like here as well in this RWA space. Proppy is one I really like. This is obviously in the area of RWA and real estate. TokenFi, which is one I've been an investor in since day one. Really like that as well. And then obviously there's some other players that you've heard about before. Polymath, which has been around for a little while. R-Trade is another one. Very much a sleeper in this RWA space. They're doing digitized art, really going heavy into that area. And then Alvara Protocol is one I've privately invested in. Hasn't really gone off the ground just yet, but there's a lot to like here. I'm going to be slowly but surely building out some more positions, but it starts with me with Ondo Finance. It starts with me with Chainlink, and this is where I want to build out first and then start go hunting for gems. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think about Ondo? I think it's just the beginning. I think it's a beautiful opportunity here. Also, if you guys are interested in checking out Margex, if you guys are interested in leverage trading, definitely check that out. Register now to claim up to 10,000 in bonuses. You're also going to get 20% sign-on bonus when you use my link down below. Over 500,000 registered users. Links down below to Margex if you're interested in signing up and start leverage trading with me over there on the platform. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.